In this video, we're going to dimension the part shown. First thing we need to do is determine our datum features. Now you'll notice that this is a little different. We have a front view, a top view, and a bottom view. The reason that we have the bottom view is so we can dimension the holes, because we do not want to dimension hidden lines, so that's why we have the bottom view. Alright, so I will choose my datum feature here, and let's say the left side, and then as far as the top, I'm going to use the center line as our datum feature. Alright, in the front view we need the height, and if we're going across this way, you can see all the features are hidden as far as that goes, so we need to either use the top view or the bottom view to do those dimensions. So for the top view, we want to dimension to the counterbore, and we could also give the overall in the top view. In the bottom view, we want to give the dimensions to the holes, and now these holes might mate up to something on another part, so I'm going to use continuous dimensioning here, because the distance between the holes then would be more important than the distance from the datum. Alright, now I'm going to do the dimensions in the top view. So I will give the dimension from the datum to the edge and the other way as well. Alright, in the top view we need to dimension the counterbore, so I will dimension the counterbore. The first thing you specify is the diameter of the drill, which is the smaller of the holes. Next thing, you want to give the counterbore symbol and then the diameter of the counterbore, and then how deep the counterbore goes. So that's the format of a counterbore dimension. Then in the bottom view, we'll grab this diameter. There's two of them, so we'll use the repeated feature symbol. And then we need to dimension the chamfers. So I'll come off for the chamfer here. There's 4 of them, so I use the repeated feature symbol. We need a space, and then let's say they're 2 by 2, just to give a number in there. So repeated feature, space, chamfer dimension, no space. That's how you can tell the difference, because you'll notice that the X is used for both things, repeated feature and chamfer. Alright, so one thing that we are missing, we gave the diameter of the hole, but we didn't show how deep it is, right? This doesn't go all the way through. So we need to include the depth of that hole. Alright, so I think we have everything. And that's how this part is dimensioned.